Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Airbnb app. Just click on it here, or you click here on search, then you search for it here at Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.